Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to use a HagoBuy coupon. So let us get into it. The first thing you want to do is jump into HagoBuy.com and you want to create your account. Once you're signed in, you want to search for a product. You can enter the product link or the name of the store or the store link or the product code right over here. You can also upload an image and search via that, or you can just type in something to search for. Once you have done so, you want to perhaps go ahead and choose all of the bits and pieces about the actual product itself that you would like. So for example, we've got these sandals over here. We are going to jump in and we're going to choose the size, and we also are going to choose the color. You can now also change the quantity over here. What you want to go ahead and do from here is scroll down and tap on add to shopping cart, and it'll take you over to this window over here. Once you're done, you will be taken through to this page over here, and you can see that this is our order. So what we're going to do here is jump back. We can open an additional tab. Now what you can do is just right click on the logo and tap on open link in new tab, and I've done so over here. And you're going to go over to the top right hand side to your profile picture and tap on user center. You will get into this page, and over here you can see all of your coupons. Now what you'll do is tap on use now, and once you tap on use now, it'll actually show you what is actually being used on and what the difference in the cost is going to be. So you can see all the details over here, and once you're done, you're going to tap on pay, and you can now go ahead and actually make this purchase with the use of your coupon. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you next time. Cheers.